Adding a custom font to Kajabi can enhance your website's branding and give it a unique look. Here's how you can do it. Prepare your custom font files. Ensure your font files are in WOFF or WOFF2 format, which are supported by most web browsers. If your font is not in the correct format, use an online converter to change it. Upload the font files to Kajabi. Log into your Kajabi account. Go to website, design, customize to access your theme editor. Click on Settings, File Manager. Upload your custom font files into the File Manager. Add custom CSS. In the theme editor, navigate to Settings, Custom Code. Insert the following CSS code to define your font. Replace custom font name with your font's name and your font file URL WOFF with the uploaded font file URL from the File Manager. Apply the font. Use the font in your CSS by specifying it for headings, body text, or other elements. Save and preview. Save your changes and preview your site to ensure the font is applied correctly.